Welcome everybody, this is Miss Brewer and we are here to start our first Photoshop tutorial on how to design a Charley Harper inspired animal digital image. So I've opened up Photoshop and I'm going to go ahead and click over here, which is Create New. So that's going to open up a window that looks like this, and I'm going to open a document that is an A4 size. And I'm opening a document that is A4 size because I know that it is a similar dimension or proportion to an A3, which we're going to later print out as an A3. So here is an A4 sized, and I know it's A4 because it's 29.7 by 21 centimeters. Okay, if this preset doesn't come up for you, you can simply come over here to the right-hand panel, type in the width of 29.7 and the height of 21. Okay, you want to make sure that your resolution is 200 because that is a good resolution to print out later. Also, go ahead and choose what orientation you want your design to be. For me, I would like it to be a landscape, so I'm going to go with that size there. Okay, and then hit Create New. You'll notice that your picture plane in the middle here has got these little checkers over it, and that's because it starts off as a transparent page, which means it has no color or anything on it. Have a look around at Photoshop. What you're going to notice is that over here on the right hand side is a layer panel, and that's because when we use digital software, it is often, or always actually, done in layers. Okay, so every time we create a new aspect of our design, we're going to create a new layer to do it on. And that is because we can easily toggle between our layers and edit our design. Okay, over here on the left hand side are all the tools that we're going to use to actually build our design. Okay, which we're going to go through as we move along. In this video, we're going to get to the point where we're going to create a background color, and then we're going to finish this video and go to the second one. So to get our background color, we simply select this paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool drops a whole block of color onto your picture plane, and you can see the little animation here showing you what that paint bucket tool does. Okay, so it fills the entire picture plane out to its nearest edge with the bucket of paint. The way that we choose the color of what we would like our background to be is we come down here into this little color panel here. So I'm going to double click on that and I'm going to select my color. So I actually like working with green as my background. So I'm going to select, you can move around. You can see how here on the right hand side you can drag up and down the rainbow slider. Okay, so I like the green hue, so I'm going to be somewhere in here, and then I'll select a color. You can see over here every time you click somewhere it shows you what color it is, and I think I'm liking that color, so I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm just going to simply click anywhere in my picture plane, and there you go. I've got a green background. Now I'm going to go ahead over here in the right hand side, and I want you to create this name for your background and simply call it background. So you've just double clicked in the layer and called it background. Okay, fantastic. We are now ready to start building our design. See you in video number 2.